The northernmost range of the Himalayas is known as? Answer is Himadri. The Himadri range is also called? Answer is Great Himalaya. Which Himalayan range contains most of the highest peaks? Answer is Himadri. The Shivalik range is also known as? Answer is Outer Himalaya. Which Himalayan range lies between Himadri and Shivalik? Answer is Himachal. The average height of the Himadri range is about? Answer is 6,000 meters. The Shivalik ranges are mainly composed of? Answer is sand and gravel. Which Himalayan range is the youngest? Answer is Shivalik. The longitudinal division of the Himalayas consists of how many ranges? Answer is 3 ranges. The Pir Panjal range belongs to which Himalayan division? Answer is Himachal. Jojila Pass connects which places? Answer is Srinagar and Leh. Nathula Pass is situated in which state? Answer is Sikkim. Shipkila Pass connects India with which country? Answer is China. Bomdila Pass is located in which state? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. The eastern hills of the Himalayas are collectively known as? Answer is Purvanchal. Patkai Hills are located in which region? Answer is Eastern Himalayas. Naga Hills are part of which hill system? Answer is Purvanchal Hills. Mizo Hills are situated in which state? Answer is Mizoram. Which river cuts through the Himalayas? Answer is Brahmaputra. The Himalayas are an example of which type of mountains? Answer is fold mountains. The Himalayas were formed due to the collision of which plates? Answer is Indian and Eurasian plates. The Kashmir Valley lies between which ranges? Answer is Pir Panjal and Great Himalaya. Which is the highest peak in India? Answer is Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is located in which state? Answer is Sikkim. The Himalayas prevent the entry of which winds? Answer is cold Central Asian winds. The northern plains have been formed mainly by the deposition of what? Answer is rivers. Which river systems have formed the northern plains? Answer is Indus Ganga Brahmaputra. The Bhabar region lies along which area? Answer is Himalayan foothills. The Terai region is characterized by what type of land? Answer is marshy land. Bhangar refers to what? Answer is old alluvium. Khadar refers to what? Answer is new alluvium. The largest part of the northern plains is formed by which river? Answer is Ganga river. The Brahmaputra plain is mainly located in which state? Answer is Assam. The northern plains are called the what of India? Answer is Granary of India. The fertile nature of northern plains is due to which soil? Answer is alluvial soil. The northern plains extend from Punjab to which state? Answer is Assam. Calcareous deposits found in Bhangar are called what? Answer is Kankar. The peninsular plateau is composed mainly of which rocks? Answer is igneous and metamorphic rocks. The peninsular plateau is part of which landmass? Answer is ancient landmass. The Deccan Plateau lies between which mountain ranges? Answer is Western and Eastern Ghats. The Malwa Plateau is located in which states? Answer is Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is famous for what? Answer is mineral resources. Black soil is mainly found in which region? Answer is Deccan Plateau. Which river flows through the Rift Valley between Vindhya and Satpura? Answer is Narmada. The Tapi River flows between which ranges? Answer is Vindhya and Satpura. Which is the highest peak of the Western Ghats? Answer is Anamudi. The Nilgiri Hills join which mountain ranges? Answer is Western and Eastern Ghats. The Western Ghats are also called what? Answer is Sahyadri. Which Ghats are lower and discontinuous? Answer is Eastern Ghats. The Eastern and Western Ghats meet at which hills? Answer is Nilgiri Hills. The Great Indian Desert is also known as? Answer is Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is mainly located in which state? Answer is Rajasthan. Which river flows through the Thar Desert? Answer is Luni. The Luni River originates from which hills? Answer is Aravalli Hills. The Indian Desert lies to the west of which range? Answer is Aravalli Range. Sand dunes are a characteristic feature of which physiographic division? Answer is Indian Desert. The climate of the Thar Desert is of which type? Answer is arid. Which state has the largest area under the Thar Desert? Answer is Rajasthan. The Indira Gandhi Canal has transformed which region? Answer is Thar Desert. The Thar Desert receives rainfall mainly from which monsoon? Answer is southwest monsoon. India has how many major coastal plains? Answer is 2. The western coastal plain lies between which regions? Answer is Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. The eastern coastal plain lies between which regions? Answer is Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. The northern part of the western coastal plain is called what? Answer is Konkan Coast. The Malabar Coast is situated in which states? Answer is Kerala and Karnataka. The Coromandel Coast is situated along which state? Answer is Tamil Nadu. The northern circles are located in which states? Answer is Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Which coast receives rainfall mainly from the northeast monsoon? Answer is Coromandel Coast. The deltas of Mahandi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are found on which coast? Answer is Eastern Coast. Which coast is famous for lagoons and backwaters? Answer is Malabar Coast. Vembanad Lake is located in which state? Answer is Kerala. Chilika Lake is situated in which state? Answer is Odisha. The western coastal plain is generally how in comparison to the eastern coastal plain? Answer is narrower than the eastern coast. The eastern coastal plain is wider due to what? Answer is delta formation. Kanyakumari lies at the confluence of which water bodies? Answer is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in which water body? Answer is Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Islands are situated in which sea? Answer is Arabian Sea. Which is the largest island in the Andaman and Nicobar group? Answer is Great Nicobar. Indira Point is located in which island? Answer is Great Nicobar. Indira Point was formerly known as what? Answer is Pygmalion Point. India's only active volcano is located at which island? Answer is Barren Island. Barren Island belongs to which island group? Answer is Andaman Islands. Nakandam Island is known for its what? Answer is volcano. The 10-degree channel separates which island groups? Answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Duncan Passage separates which islands? Answer is South and Little Andaman. What is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Answer is Port Blair. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? Answer is Kavaratti. Lakshadweep Islands are mainly of which origin? Answer is coral origin. The Polk Strait separates which countries? Answer is India and Sri Lanka. The 8th-degree channel separates which places? Answer is Minicoy and Maldives. Which physiographic division occupies the largest area of India? Answer is Peninsular Plateau. Which is the oldest physiographic division of India? Answer is Peninsular Plateau. Which is the youngest mountain range in India? Answer is Himalayas. The Aravalli Range extends from Delhi to which state? Answer is Gujarat. Guru Shikhar, the highest peak of the Aravalli Range, is located in which state? Answer is Rajasthan. The Satpura Range lies between which rivers? Answer is Narmada and Tapi. Which plateau is known as the mineral storehouse of India? Answer is Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Western and Eastern Ghats meet at which hills? Answer is Nilgiri Hills. Which physiographic division is most suitable for agriculture? Answer is Northern Plains. Which mountain range acts as a climatic barrier for India? Answer is Himalayas.